What's going on, Street Drip? Welcome back to the channel. Man, we got a beautiful, exciting day for you guys. We made it here. Just getting out the hotel, as you can see. And about to head over to the park over there. And I can hear some of the bass going. Definitely tell you that the cars are ready. They all showed up. We're about to hit there right now and see what's going on. But stick around, stay tuned for a crazy video. We'll give you guys the best coverage out there, pending the loud music, but you know how we do, so stick around. Here we are, guys. You guys feel the vibes. We got the skate park right here, chilling on the scooter. And we're gonna check out some nice rides like this one right here, man. Nasty. I love how the color blends into the background setting. Sick white wheels here. Woo! Check out the beats though. Damn. Clean.
Yo,
hey, so we live here at the show. We got the tunes playing.
We got the tune here.
Cars being clean.
We got Mark over here.
Yes,
this
sir.
is JVL RX-7. My car's not here yet, but you know, this is a good show. We're enjoying ourselves. You know, today is a good day that the Lord has made. Rejoice in the Lord and be glad in it, man. You know, we just gotta enjoy it.
Big blessings. Beautiful
man.
day. And we out here just enjoying the cars, enjoying the culture.
Yes.
We're taking this all in. Man.
Yes, man. Listen, we got graffiti. Graffiti represents part of the hip hop culture. Then we got, you know, we got the skating, or it can mix with the hip hop. We can mix with the popping, breaking, and all that. We're gonna have a joyful night. We're gonna have a joyful day as well, man. Enjoy.
That's right, guys. Big vibes going on today. Stick around. Guys, check out the lineup on this section. So the way it's set up, we got pretty much different sections, different cars out here. Say what's good to the YouTube channel. You in it, boy?
Oh, yeah, take me out.
Damn, we got another section over here, more cars. We got the food truck popping. Sheesh. Let's make our way down here. How you doing? Dope vibes here. Nasty, putting in that elbow grease. Got all the freshness out here, guys. Everybody showed out. Sick things going on here. Yes, sir, guys. They got your boy pulled up. You know how to swing in and pull the car in. It looks nice against this wall. So sick. Crazy. Let me give you guys an update on the stance while I'm here. Look how those springs are sitting now. Definitely sitting real crazy. And this is about two weeks. So you can see the final result right there, guys. Let me know what you think on the stance. How's this sitting with those springs? Guys, check out what we got going on over here. C8 convertible, all murdered out, black on black, looking crazy. And we got the G-Wagon, matte black, nasty. Look at the wheels though, matte black wheels. Sheesh. Guys, check out what we got on this side. S2K, perp with the flakes. Check out the wheels though. Woo, rotiforms, nasty. With the black inside. This is an amazing setup, guys. Looking real clean. We got the clean Accord over here too. Keep the headlights though. We got the Infinity FX with the goldies. Y'all saw this in the last video. This thing's nice in the sun right here, gleaming. Check out these wheels though on the Accord. Woo! MRRs. You got carbon fiber trim around the window. And lots of heat here. Check this out, guys. Crazy Integra. What? Look at this exhaust. Come on, man. That's crazy. It looks like the church pipes. The organs at the church, it reminds me of. Damn, we got the gold flakes with the gold wheels on this. Not playing no games. Damn. Check out the back here. What we got going in the back? Sheesh. Guys, check out this big body BMW 7 Series. Crazy. The Alpina wheels on there. Alpina style. Nasty. Check out this Civic over here, blue with the orange wheels. Sitting crazy low. Check them out. JDM Queen on Insta. Did a good job on his. They come around here, guys. We got low class culture. Bringing out the big boys out here with the white wheels, crazy wrap. Check this one out with the carbon fiber. Look at that weave though. It's got like the hexagon weave on there. Woo! With the carbon fiber sitting crazy low. Damn. This is clean right here. Guys, we got Audi fam in the building. Carbon fiber right here with the Bentley wheels. Damn, with the blue calipers. This thing is hidden. But check out all the carbon fiber in here though. You got APR intake, APR covers, all carbon fiber as well. Damn, carbon fiber rear view. Sitting crazy low. Check them out on Insta. AFAST.3. Damn, no games playing here. 4-ring squad. Woo! Hell yeah, this is crazy. But check out this Infinity over here. The crazy beats in the back. Look at that setup. Big Fosgate P2s with the air tank matching the car. Damn. Crazy paint job on this. With the gold wheels though. Crazy splitters. Damn, check out the interior. Black and red with the carbon fiber. Y'all stick around, I'm about to get something similar. Damn. Red carbon on the engine. Sheesh. Guys, check out this Accord over here too. Looking sinister, slammed with the black wheels. Got the lug nuts poking out red. Nice gray and black theme going on. Man, but check out over here, guys. Check out this IS. Look at this. With the blue peeking on the engine. This is crazy. Mean concave on the wheels. Look at that. That's my style right there. Love the concave. What you guys think on the wheels there? Damn, not playing no games. And you got the big bottle of Brugal up front, letting you know where it's at, where the party starts. Ooh, this is nice too. I love this gray on this Accord. It's almost like a Nardo with a bluish on it too. But the wheels is popping right there. Nasty wheels on there. This is crazy. Guys, check out over here. We got everything here. We got big boy Jeeps, all customed out. Big tires on there, looking mean. Got a Slam Civic right here, SI, fresh with the white wheels, like a blue pearl effect. Nasty. Everything's here. We got PR repping, Dorado. Yes, sir. Crazy, man. Look at the stance on that. Nasty. Yes, sir, guys. We got the photo booth here on deck. 360 photos. Got some pictures out here for sale as well. We got the DJ setting up. Big tunes coming in. It's gonna get crazy loud over here. Hey! Guys, check out the Z over here. Looking real nice. Got the fat 5-star wheels. Actually 6. Clean, black. Got the rose gold in the back. Woo! Check out the steering wheel and the shifter though. Crazy. Guys, check this out over here. We got some things that pulled up. Big boy American Muscle with the yellow. Got the yellow B on the side. That's crazy. Nasty Daytona. Ooh, check out the interior though. Engine. Got a whole thing going here. This looks nice. Damn. Carbon fiber on the front lip as well. Check this out right here. Miami Hurricane colors. Got the orange with the teal green type color. Nasty. This thing's sitting low. Crazy. Check out the wheels though. In the building, looking crazy. Clear engine cover, got the whole theme going, flag repping. Check out the details though. Sheesh, crazy. Got the flying bats in the back, black and yellow Batman style. Nasty. We got the beats on deck, ready to tear your ears off with that thing right there. Got the mermaid theme going. Clean. Guys, you over here pulled up, but check out the chicken sandwich though. Sheesh, looking crazy. I'm about to go in on this. Hey guys, you gotta check out the best chicken sandwich in town. You want to shout them out? Where you guys at?
Place to be. So we have a couple. We have downtown 5 Constitutional Plaza, Franklin Avenue, Springfield. We're opening New Haven and West Hartford. Definitely come check us out.
Let me tell you, boy. Woo! Best chicken I can't even talk. Best chicken sandwich I've had. I haven't had the burger, but I'm pretty sure that's next level. Y'all gotta check them out. If y'all in the Hartford area or where else?
Hartford, Springfield, and soon to come in New Haven.
Woo! Hey, maybe I can get lucky and get them to open up in Boston. Yes, sir. Check them out. Guys, let me tell you, when I wasn't playing, look at this. Just look at this. Come on, man. That's like a triple-decker crib back at home.
What do you think, Mark?
Crazy.
Very full.
Oh, very full.
Very full. That's the place to be? Always the place to be. Next Gen Car Show.
Hey, that's the place to be right there. You got money gambling? Come on front though. They don't finish. What you want? You got your wine for the chick? Look at the standstill. If you can pull that 100 out, you can have it.
Got you on camera.
Damn, all the way around back. I got the same wood in my basement. How the hell did he do that? Come on now. Crazy.
I think he stole it from you, bro.
I think he did. I need to. Y'all know who it is, let me know. Cartel, we're coming after you.
He got no plate.
Nah, you don't. I'm about to call Connecticut PD. Have him come through real quick.
Let's go to the next one.
I ain't no snitch though.
Let's go to the next one. Guys,
Check this out right here. Nasty. Can-Man with the big bar lights, fat boy wheels, custom beats. Sheesh.
Today, this is our first annual charity car show supporting autism. So I really appreciate everybody coming out and supporting this event today. This, believe me, is just the first of many. We will be doing this for years to come. So now we're gonna get to the awards. I'm gonna turn it over to my man Ice. He's good with the names.
Fuego. Acura RDS.
Got it.
Jocelyn Garcia. 2014 Honda Accord. Congratulations. Purple Rain, baby. Yeah, congratulations. City Scrapers, I see.
You got it.
Oh my God. There you go.
Next up we got.
Congratulations. Congratulations. Congratulations.
With the 360 photo booth so that it can go on with your hardware at the next gen.
Come on, Brianna. Oh my God. Come on, get in there. Damn, Junie, I gotta move back for you.
Jeremy, 2010 Toyota Corolla.
Congratulations.
Make your way over to that NEXGEN Car Show. Next up, we got my man Juan Pancho.
Great day.
Santiago with the 2002 Acura. A lot of hardware.
Yo, she don't bite, just give her a hug.
Peter.
I'm sick of it.
Next up, we got Logan. 90.
And congratulations. I forgot to say that.
And money.
I like the way my ladies representing out here. Next up, we got Adelson. Go get your hardware, big boy. Next up, we got my man Hector Santiago.
Hey.
So who's all up again for the ladies? We got my girl Sherry G, Audi A3. And with the Lexus IS250.
Go to Miami a lot.
Oh, yeah.
LLC, and then I saw it was LCC. Oh my
That's
God.
that thought she was hard, right?
My heart.
That Jeep, that gray joint.
Right now at this time, I'm going to announce the winner of the two raffles that we did.
Make your way
Yeah.
to the street. I heard that they looking for it.
Coordination.
The track that I had in front of me.
Ford 2. Listen, I was in the car for 6 hours. You're cool.
Congratulations on that one. That's skateboard. That's that skateboard. Congratulations, Tom.
Hey guys, there you have it. It was an amazing show today. Huge turnout. But don't forget, tomorrow is part 2. Yes, part 2 is going to be even bigger, better, more cars coming, and more vendors coming out to that too. So I hope you guys like the content for today. Make sure you like, subscribe, and Street Drip. We'll see you on the next one. Like the man says, RIP, grind don't stop, the marathon continues. We got to continue too. We out.